Very good day. My name is Thinesshwaran, like Gunasekaran, and my matrix ID is MEMM1013. So now I would like to start the presentation for group assignment 2. So I would like to start the presentation with a brief explanation of the background of total productive maintenance (TPM). So this is basically to give the idea of what TPM concept is. So TPM, total productive maintenance, was first introduced in the 1970s in Japan. It emerged as a response to the limitations of traditional maintenance practices, which often led to reactive and inefficient approaches to equipment management. So basically, the TPM was, found in Japan, and it was found due to the limitations of several traditional, practices. So this led to the blooming of TPM and the introductory of the concept of TPM to the world. So the concept emerged in the 1970s as a response to the limitations of traditional maintenance practices that were often reactive and led to inefficiencies in production processes. TPM gained prominence as a key element of the Toyota production system, renowned for its lean manufacturing principles. One of the early adopters of TPM was Nippon Denso, now known as the Denso Corporation, an affiliate of the Toyota Group. So Nippon Denso played a pivotal role in developing and implementing the concept of TPM and its manufacturing facilities. So basically, the concept of TPM was, introduced by, a company called Nippon Denso, and Nippon Denso is now known as Denso Corporation. So it is basically an affiliate of Toyota Group companies. So they adopted the concept of TPM, which replaced their traditional methods, and this concept gained several advantages for the Toyota Group of companies, which saw increase in efficiencies, and this TPM concept was then renowned by many other market in Japan. So these market players saw their business also affiliating, and it has caused an increased efficiency in their business, which made basically many parts of the Japan to adopt this concept, which is also then adopted globally. So the methodology then spread across various Toyota Group companies, which eventually gained traction and recognition worldwide. So what is total productive maintenance (TPM)? So let me go dive deeper to the concept of TPM. TPM is a comprehensive approach to equip maintenance that aims to maximize the efficiency and the effectiveness of production machinery. The primary objective of TPM is to eliminate losses related to equipment and machinery by fostering a proactive and participatory maintenance culture through the organization. So basically, TPM, involves participatory of all, levels. So it requires from the top level to the down level, where every individual plays a key role in this approach of TPM. So instead of relying solely on specialized maintenance teams as in traditional maintenance practices, TPM involves all members of the organization in equipment upkeep, from top management to shop floor operators. So as I said, it basically includes everyone, not only a particular group or particular players in the company. This approach aims to create a sense of ownership and involvement at all levels, fostering a collaborative effort to enhance equipment reliability and effectiveness. So next, TPM is structured around 8 pillars, each addressing the specific aspects of equipment management, which will be explained by my other group member. So organizations that successfully implement TPM often experiences a range of benefits, including increased equipment reliability, improved product quality, reduced downtime, and employee morale, and many more. So these are basically the benefits of equipping or comprehending TPM. TPM has transcended its Japanese root and has been widely adopted globally, becoming an integral part of lean manufacturing and continuous improvement initiatives around various industries. So as I said, TPM is spread globally. So what are the basic benefits of TPM? So these are just the key benefits of fundamental benefits of TPM. First is the enhanced performance and output. Second, low operating costs, greater employee empowerment, improved workplace safety, reduced risk of accidents, clean and healthier work environment, and finally, it's tenders minimal malfunctions of equipment. So these are basically the benefits of approaching the company into the TPM approach. So that's all for now. I would like to pass my presentation to other group mates. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Ahsan Habib Rifat. I'll be discussing about the pillar of TPM. So there are 8 pillars of TPM, which is starting with the focused improvement, autonomous maintenance, quality maintenance, planned maintenance, early management, training education, safety, health and environment, and lastly, administrative TPM. Focus improvement is to avoid the loss of equipment, talent, raw materials, and energy. The whole team must share the same vision. The team must be proactive, willing to try new methods. And the activities of the focus improvement are identify the losses, calculate and set the targets for OEE and unit resource consumption, analyze problems and review possible cause, pursue the focused improvement to achieve the ultimate performance of the production system. The second pillar of TPM is autonomous maintenance. Everyone has the autonomy to clean, inspect, and contribute to the upkeep of the asset they work with. This ensures every piece of equipment is cared for, improves early fault detection, and frees maintenance technician for heavier tasks. So activities for autonomous maintenance are initial cleaning, identification of contamination sources and hard to access areas, provisional standards, general and autonomous inspection, standardization, and lastly full self-management. The next pillar of TPM is quality maintenance, and one of the TPM's biggest goal is manufacturing zero defect products, which is undoubtedly also plays the customer satisfaction role. And the activities for quality maintenance are check the quality characteristics and standards, investigate existing quality defect phenomena and results, check quality assurance condition and conditions prevailing in process, raw materials, equipment, and methods, identify, analyze, and improve unsatisfactory conditions, set observable standards, and monitor trends. So the plant maintenance is also one of the TPM pillar, and activities including spare part management improves to extend equipment life, plan day-to-day actions for plant maintenance and predictive maintenance, lubrication management, and lastly, failure analysis and recurrence prevention. The next TPM pillar is early management. And the activities including maintenance prevention are to set development and design targets, manufacturing standards, quality standards, standards operation, standards for maintenance, and set the reliability standards. And for other activities, life cycle costing, eliminate problems such as design drawing, prototyping, fabrication, test running, and startup stages. And lastly, perform the design reviews. TPM requires investing in training and education. Otherwise, it is impossible to trust each worker with routine maintenance or prevention. For the activities in basic maintenance training, including cleaning and lubrication, maintenance of transmission components, leak prevention, maintenance of hydraulic and pneumatic equipment, maintenance of electrical control, and training for continuous improvement are waste minimization, process improvement, and lastly, managerial excellence. The next TPM pillar is safety, health, and environment. TPM also aims at zero work accident, zero pollution, and zero burnout. Good maintenance management not only avoid accident during maintenance activities but also contributes to every worker's well-being and safety. And the activities including make the equipment safer, make the workplace safer, improve working environments, prevent pollution such as air, water, and noise, and improve the worker health. The last of the 8 pillars is administrative TPM. And the activities including autonomous maintenance for the offices are initial cleaning of surroundings, perform task review, implement solution, standardize, raise the level of self-management. And for specific project-based improvements are reduce lead time for finalizing accounts, improve logistics, raise efficiency of purchasing and subcontracting, revamp production management system. Thank you.
Hi, hello, and good day to everyone. My name is Arvinthan, son of Thiagarajan. Today, I'm going to present about the overall equipment effectiveness (OEE). The core, the core element of the OEE are availability, performance, and quality. These elements are help assessing the efficiency and effectiveness of the manufacturing process. Availability. Availability is a measure the actual production time of the equipment compared to the planned or scheduled production time. It takes into the account factors such as the equipment breakdown, changeovers, and any unplanned downtime. The formula for the availability is operation time over planned production time times by 100. Next, we're going to see about the performance. Performance is a evaluates how will the equipment performs in the comparison to its maximum potential speed or rate. It considers the factors like a machine speed, vibrations, monitor minor stops, and idling that affect the overall efficiency of the equipment. The formula for the performance is ideal cycle time over the actual cycle time times by 100. Next, we're going to see about the quality. Quality is the excess, the proportion of the good quality products and produced by the equipment in the relation into the total outputs. It accounts for the defects, reworks, or scrap that may occur during the manufacturing process. The formula for the quality is good count over total count times by 100. Next, we're going to see about the 6 key purposes of the overall equipment effectiveness. There are 6. First is a loss identification, performance measurement, continuous improvement, resources optimization, benchmarking, and root cause analysis. These are the 6 key purposes of OEE. That's all from my side. My friend will be continue with the example of the OEE. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nik Muhammad Hafiz. Today I'm going to present about the example of the overall equipment effectiveness. So for the example, we take the sample from the PT Takisha Manufacturing Indonesia. This study has been done from January until December 2015. Where's the location of the study at the production line that use stamping machine to A and also maintenance and welding. Okay, as we can see here, this is the typical calculation of OEE. The first one start with the availability ratio, the performance efficiency, and also the quality. Okay, in general or average, we can see here for the availability ratio, the average value is only 83. Whilst for the performance efficiency for this company for 1 year, the performance efficiency average is only 90, and also the quality efficiency or the rate of quality, the average is only 93. So in average for the OEE, we can see that the value of the average OEE is only 969%, which is very low compared to the world class standard, which is 85%. Okay, if we look at the 6 big losses, we can identify that the most uh, the highest factor that affect the overall efficiency the effectiveness is badly affected by the setup and adjustment loss, which is account for 54%, whilst together with the 4% of the equipment failure loss, this region alone that represent the availability ratio badly affected the performance of the machinery of the company. Whilst for the idling and minor stoppage loss and the reduced speed loss, the reduced speed loss account responsible for the 27% of the company loss in the term of the equipment effectiveness. Whilst for the scrap loss, it represents 16% of the losses. So, in order for the company to improve their performance of their equipment, it is suggested that they have to improve hugely at this area and also at the performance efficiency. Because if they want to achieve the 85%, actually at this very at every area they have to achieve at least 95% at every area, so that they can achieve 85% for the overall or the overall equipment effectiveness. Okay, that's all.